Looking for a peaceful staycation in Davao City? Let me share out my experience at this 4-star hotel that we booked on Klook. Syempre, using my code Engineer Klook para may discount. I'm talking about the Waterfront Insular Hotel Davao na dinisenyo ng national artist na si Leandro Locsin. Classic ang Filipino architecture ng hotel na to at ang lawak ng area, parang nasa resort ka talaga within the city. We stayed at their standard room and it has everything we needed. 2 beds, TV, cabinet with vault, bottled water, coffee and tea, electric kettle, mini fridge, bathtub, hair blower, toilet with bidet, free toiletries like soap, shampoo, and toothbrush. Pero ang pinaka-standout for me ay yung fire extinguisher na nasa loob ng room. Sa lahat ng hotels na napagstayan ko guys, ito lang talaga ang may ganon. Super commendable yung safety nila. Super ganda din ng view outside the building. You will enjoy walking around dahil ang peaceful ng ambience. Harap lang niya ang Samal Island. And malapit din siya sa port papuntang sikat ng mga resort sa Samal. May amenities din sila like a fitness center with ocean view, pool, and jacuzzi. Perfect for relaxing. Sobrang bait at professional din ng mga staff. From check-in to check-out, very accommodating and respectful. Pero ang pinaka-favorite ko sa buong stay ko dito sa hotel ay ang breakfast buffet dito sa Cafe Uno. Ang daming options at sobrang busog kami. My favorites are ham with pineapple and beef caldereta. Grabe, panalo talaga. So kung ang hanap mo ay staycation with great service, peaceful vibes, at breathtaking views, I highly recommend Waterfront Insular Hotel Davao.